Okay, now here what we're going to do is show you how to access the cron job. Now you can go in and actually download our PDF on it, and this PDF will have all the information you need. Okay, and it depends. You know, we have settings for cPanel, Linux, plus Control Panel, or Windows Server 2008. All right, so go through this and read it if you want to learn how to do it, or just watch this video because I'm going to do it right now. Okay, so I'm going to use the cPanel. This is what I'm going to be using. And if you'll notice, this document actually has cPanel instructions. It has, as I said before, it has the Linux as well. So if you were to use cPanel, you would go all the way down to here, right here. Here's cPanel right here. And so let's do this. I'm going to show you in the actual video what your settings are and what you're going to be doing. Okay, so here we are. Now, to find the cron job, okay, it's right here at the bottom. Click on cron jobs. Now, some of you might not know what cron jobs are. And in fact, most of you probably don't know what cron jobs are. Cron jobs are actions that your server tells your website, okay? And because we're going to be sending out emails through the notification system, and also because we're going to be creating widgets, we have to create cron jobs so that your website knows that they need to send out these emails, you know, every so often. So these actions, we create these actions, say every 5 minutes. If you have a lot of traffic, you would actually make these actions happen more than just every 5 minutes, okay? But let me show you what the normal settings are for your cron job for Easy Webinar plugin. Now we're going to create 2 cron jobs, which means 2 actions, okay? So let me show you here. Now, so the first one, this is going to say current email. Don't worry about this, okay? You don't have to put anything in there. You can just use your default, all right? But if you did put something in here, what you'd have is you'd have updates every time someone was using your system, but you'd have it all the time. My recommendation would not put anything here, because every 5 minutes you'd be getting notification that the cron job happened, that the cron job happened, that the cron job happened, and that's not something you want to get. So anyway, let's go through here. This is the meat and potatoes of it right here. You're going to start at the common settings. So not every minute, but go to every 5 minutes and click that second one. And once you click it, all these will be populated. All right. Now what this simply means is this asterisk means every hour. This one asterisk means every day. But if you wanted it to be every other day, you would click that, and then it would be divided by 2, you know. So what we want is every day. So we want every 5 minutes, every hour, every day, every month, every weekday. Okay, and now when we're doing a cron job or an action for a specific thing for our webinars, we need to put specific commands or specific code for that action. All right, we have to tell it what to do. So let's go back into the document that we have here. And here is the first command that you're going to be putting in. Okay, copy and paste this. All right, copy that. And this is going to be for the to send out the emails. All right, so we're going to put that into the command. And then click Add New Cron Job. All right, now I've already done that, and it's right here. Okay. Now what you're going to do is, after you've added that cron job, and I'm actually going to delete, I'm going to add that cron job, but I'm now going to delete that cron job because I've already put it in. So just so you know, what you're going to do now is you're going to put in the second cron job. All right. So you're going to go back into your common settings, and you're going to repeat this. The command, go back into the document that we have. And it's right here in blue-ish colors. Click there and copy and paste that into the next command. All right, so you're going to click there and you're going to add new cron job. And this is where it's going to pop up right here. All right. And that's pretty much what you do with cron jobs. Cron jobs are actions, and your email notification system would not work if you did not put a cron job in.